Hello friends, today we'll see how to create a Maven Selenium project in Eclipse IDE. In my previous tutorial we have seen how to create a Selenium Java project, and I will share the video link in the description section. If you are new to this tutorial, please do watch my previous tutorial, and let's get started. Let me open my Eclipse, click on Files, click on New, select Projects and type Maven. And in few Eclipse IDE we don't have a Maven option, so if you want Maven to configure on the Eclipse, and please do watch my how to set up Maven on the Eclipse IDE, and I will share the link in the description section. And click on Maven project, click on next, and here is a new Maven project window. Click on a sample project, check this checkbox and use a default work location and click on next. And here we need to provide Actifite and group ID. Let me provide Actifite ID and group ID. com.demo selenium.maven. Actifite ID as Maven demo project and version as 0.0.1. snapshot as we haven't developed any code, and packaging as jar, and click on finish. Once we click on finish, Eclipse IDE we create a new Maven project in the package explorer section, which is on the left side. Here we have a Maven demo project, and here we have selected a create a sample project. This sample project contains source main Java, source main resources, source test Java, source test resources. So this main Java and main resources are the actual code where we write for the application development. So this main Java file contain our actual code, and this main resources contain the files XML or PNG or JSON related to a main project, where here in test Java and test resources where we write the test cases for the application, and test resources will contain all the supporting files related to the test, and where we have a JRE system libraries, and I am using a Java 1.8 and is a source file main test, and we have a POM. So Maven project is a project management tool where it comes with a POM. The POM is nothing but project object model, which is used for builds, dependencies and documentation. Let me open this POM file XML. Once we open this pom.xml, we will be on the overview section. So at the last tab we have pom.xml. So we have given if you can see here, we have three options where group ID, Actifite ID and version. So the group ID which we have given com.demo selenium.maven, and Actifite ID as Maven demo project, and version as 0.01 snapshot. So let me write the sample code, and I'm right click on test source test Java, right click on this for source file, go to new, go to class, and I'm giving class as Maven demo and package name as demo project. And we need a main method where we write a sample piece of code and will execute a sample code. Check for the public static void main, click on finish, and here we have the class structure has been created. And with this Maven project we'll launch a Chrome browser, and to launch a Chrome browser we need to set system properties. Click system.set property, and we need to give a property name. webdriver dot chrome dot driver. So this is the property name, and we need to provide a exe file location. So currently we don't have a Chrome exe file here. Let me download a Chrome driver exe. Chrome driver download, and here's a first link shows download Chrome driver. Click on this location, and I have a 81 version of my Chrome browser. I'm downloading Chrome driver 81, and here we have a 3 different zip files which is for Linux, Mac and Windows. I am working on Windows machine. I will download a Windows 32.zip. I already downloaded this Chrome driver. Let me open my downloads. So here is my Chrome driver. Copy a Chrome driver, open Eclipse, and right click on Maven project, go to new, add a folder and folder name as server. Click on finish and paste this Chrome driver in this location, and open server. Click on Chrome driver exe and right click, go to properties. We need to copy this server location and copy the server location. Close this window, and the value section provide this value, semicolon. Now we have set up the system set property for the Chrome driver, and now we need to create a WebDriver instance. To create a WebDriver instance, we need a Selenium standalone jar. So it's a Maven project where it's completely depends on dependencies. So let me download a Maven dependency for Selenium standalone. Open a Chrome browser, type Selenium Maven dependency. So here's a link, org.seleniumhq. Click on this Maven repository link, and if you see the Selenium Java, the first link, click on the Selenium Java, and these are the versions which are in the development, and we have a stable version which is 3.141.59. click on this version, and once we click on this version, and from here we can download a jar file as well. And if you see at the bottom, we have a Maven POM dependency, and we need to copy this dependency. And open Eclipse again and go to pom.xml, and all dependencies in the Maven are under dependencies tag. So this is a dependency open and dependency close. In between this dependencies tag, we need to add our dependencies. So if you see the left section of the project explorer, we have only JRE system libraries, and once I save this pom.xml, and we have a Maven dependency libraries created in the left section. Let me save this pom.xml. So if you can see the progress bar here, and there is a new libraries created, Maven dependencies. So this Maven dependencies contain Selenium jar, Selenium API, Chrome driver and other dependencies. And let me open a class file. Now I will write a code to launch a Chrome browser. WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver, let me import this WebDriver. Now we have created a WebDriver instance for Chrome. Let me launch a website, driver.get, and let me give a so I'm giving a sample Google to open. Click on save. Let me run the sample code. So it has opened a Chrome browser and it has launched a Google link. So now we have accomplished our Maven Selenium project in Eclipse IDE. Now till now we have seen how to create a Maven project in the Eclipse IDE, and we have created a sample code to launch a Chrome browser to launch a website, and we have set up the dependencies in the pom.xml where it can download the latest jars and it will store in the Maven dependencies. And the advantage over the Java project and the Maven project, where it is easier to manage the versions of our jar, where we can directly change the versions from here. I can go to the older version of Selenium standalone server. Let me type older version. I'm giving the older version name. Once I save this pom.xml, it will download a latest, the version which we mentioned here. Let me open this Maven dependencies. So here I have a Selenium Java 3.141.59. Now here I have kept a version as 2.53.1. Let me save this pom.xml. Once I save this pom, there is an server which is downloaded and kept on my Maven dependencies, which is a 2.531. So it is easier to manage the versions of our jars. And if you are working with the multiple team members, it is easier to manage this Maven project compared to the Selenium jar. You no need to download additional jars, and it creates some confusion on the downloading a jars, and its Maven project will resolve this confusion. Thanks for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. In the next tutorial I will show you how to create a multiple browsers. Like in this tutorial I have shown you about the Chrome driver and Chrome browser. In next tutorial I will show you how to launch IE browser, Firefox browser. Thank you, and please share your questions and queries in my comment section. Thank you.